access, harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger.
Hey DBRIGHT Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from title above, today I am filming DIY Yeezy clothing. So today is going to be super easy because we're not necessarily making something, we're putting stuff together to create Yeezy clothing from things from your closet. Super simple, and you're going to look $100 because Yeezy clothing is super expensive. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so for some of you guys that don't know what the Yeezy collection is, the Yeezy collection is actually a clothing brand by Kanye West, and Kim Kardashian promotes it on her Instagram. So today I'm going to show you guys some pieces that you can use to create some outfits that are similar to from the Yeezy collection. So I'm going to show you guys some clips over here of how it usually looks like, how their clothing line looks like, and then I'm going to show you some pieces that you can probably find in your closet as well to put together. I call it as bike shorts. So like these type of like shorts, like these are very in. Kim Kardashian has been wearing that a lot lately, so that works. I'll show you guys how to put it together as well, but let me show you the pieces. Tights, like any color tights, like neutral colors like gray tights, black tights. And so for the top, you'll usually see they have something very loose fitting or bandeau. So for the loose fitting, like you just need like t-shirt, baggy t-shirts, and again like nothing bright, like gray baggy tees, green like olive green like baggy shirts, black baggy shirts. And then like I mentioned, bandeaus are really one of the things that will you'll see in the Yeezy collection. They have a lot of crop top type of bandeaus, so just like regular bandeaus work, like black and white. That works perfectly because again, like I said, nothing bright, very like neutral colors. Another thing that you'll find in the Yeezy collection is jean jackets, with like patches or like ripped holes, and also like things to throw on top, like jackets, like light jackets, like gray light jackets. Also, if you have like neutral like tight fitted dresses, that also works as well, or like tanks.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary on the boss tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore?